While we're in a busy season, I decided to simplify my workout routine so I could still get my steps in and get in some strength training by putting some weights in my backpack. I started with simple equipment, shoes I already had, walking on my driveway, walking on my property, out in the woods for peaceful tech-free time, or occasionally listening to podcasts that were encouraging and inspiring, or just plain fun and engaging. Physical fitness is important to me, but during the season of life, I've just been enjoying being outside in God's creation and being thankful for what I have.